Well, isn't evolution an interesting thing? From floppy disks to compact ones to pen drives and then clouds. Us from apes and apes from God knows where. But what I'm really thrilled about is this, the cycle. But this is an electric cycle. It wasn't till yesterday. But today, it is. In fact, it never was. I made it myself. D.I.Y. Well, the installation's DIY. What makes it electric is this, and it has the perfect name, EasyKit. This is how it works. Swap the front wheel of your cycle with the integrated motor wheel. Install the front assembly. Attach the pedal assist sensor. Mount the battery box on the front assembly, and you are good to go. It's a beautiful day. Hop on. First up, we have what is called the pedal assist mode, where the sensor calculates the effort I put in and sends that information to the controller, which gives me the extra boost of energy that I require.
Slope ahead!
No problem. In fact, the EasyKit has 5 different levels of pedal assist. Think of it as a gym cycle where you can control the amount of effort you want to put in. So it's also great for the lovely belly fat you want to work on. Ride it easy with pedal assist or ride it like a moped on throttle mode. The choice is yours. Your office is 10 kilometers away from where you live? No problem. The EasyKit just costs you 10 paisa for a kilometer. What about your petrol vehicle? This beast can go up to 25 kilometers on a single charge, so you can catch up on that date that is another 5 kilometers with no second thoughts. Hey babe. We can make it back home without paddling if the date isn't warming up. If you know what I mean. P.S. 1 hour of charging is equal to 70% battery. This is not an electric cycle. Now it is. Now it's not. Now it is. And now it's not. I can do this all day long. The EasyKit. Now any cycle can be an e-cycle.